well, the two options were you have most or all of your money in trend following, and you have one mean reversion system. And the one mean reversion system only has a small amount of exposure on average. And so what you do is you basically say, okay, my trend following has all of my money, but whenever my mean reversion system gets a signal, I'm going to take it anyway. And I'm going to go into a small amount of leverage just to take that mean reversion trade. And then when that trade closes out, I'll just close it. And my trend following will just keep on continuing with 100% allocation of my capital. So that works provided you've got a low exposure mean reversion system. The other option, and you don't even have to go into leverage, because what you can do is say, okay, my mean reversion system, if I gave my mean reversion system 100% of my capital, on average, let's say it had 5% exposure. So what you could do is you could say, all right, I'm going to give my trend following system 95% of my capital max. And I'm going to give my mean reversion system 100% of my capital. And so on average, my total exposure shouldn't go much over 100%. Does that make sense? Because you know your mean reversion system has an exposure of only 5% on average.